Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back, guys. Today, we're going to learn how to form negative nominal sentences for the present tense. So the sentences like, the weather is not sunny today, or he is not at home, or this is not a book. Now, let's remember how to say, this is a book. Bu bir kitap. Bu bir kitap. This is a book. Bu is the demonstrative pronoun, but bu is also used as demonstrative adjective, which you're going to see in another example in a second. And the predicate of this sentence is kitap, kitap, and it is a noun. It is not a conjugated verb. To make this sentence negative, so to say, this is not a book, what we just need to do is to add değil, değil to the end of the sentence. Like this, bu bir kitap değil. Bu bir kitap değil. This means this is not a book. Now, let's take a look at this sentence. Bugün hava güneşli. Bugün hava güneşli. This means the weather is sunny today. Güneş means sun. Güneş, it is a noun. Güneşli means sunny. Güneşli, it is an adjective. And hava means weather. Hava. We also use hava to say air. If we want to negate this sentence, now you know how to do it. Bugün hava güneşli değil. Bugün hava güneşli değil. This means the weather is not sunny today. Another example. Babam evde. Babam evde, which means my dad is at home. Evde means at home. Evde. De is the locative case suffix. We have already learned that in one of the previous videos. Evde. Now, let's make this sentence negative. Babam evde değil. Babam evde değil, which means my dad is not at home. Now, let's make another example. Bu bardaklar temiz. Bu bardaklar temiz, which means these glasses are clean. In this sentence, bu is the demonstrative adjective. Let's negate this sentence. Bu bardaklar temiz değil. Bu bardaklar temiz değil. And if you want to make a sentence like this, my friend Mete is not an engineer. He is an architect. My friend Mete means arkadaşım Mete. Arkadaşım Mete. Arkadaş means friend. Arkadaş. Arkadaşım means my friend. Arkadaşım. Is the possessive suffix for the first singular person. And what we say is, arkadaşım Mete mühendis değil, mimar. Arkadaşım Mete mühendis değil, mimar. Now, let's see how değil can be used with all persons. This means değil is going to receive the person suffixes. First of all, let's see how değil looks like with person suffixes for all personal pronouns. So, ben değilim, değilim, sen değilsin, değilsin, o değil, değil. Always remember, there is no person suffix for the third singular person. Biz değiliz, değiliz, siz değilsiniz, değilsiniz, onlar değiller, değiller, or we can also say onlar değil, değil, without any person suffix. So, let's make a sentence. Ben hazır değilim. Ben hazır değilim, which means I'm not ready. Sen hazır değilsin. Sen hazır değilsin, which means you are not ready. O hazır değil. O hazır değil, which means he or she is not ready. Biz hazır değiliz. Biz hazır değiliz, which means we are not ready. Siz hazır değilsiniz. Siz hazır değilsiniz, which means you guys are not ready. And it can also mean you are not ready, but formally. Onlar hazır değiller. Onlar hazır değiller. Or onlar hazır değil. Onlar hazır değil, which means they are not ready. As you see, guys, negating nominal sentences is so easy in Turkish. So now let's see a couple of more examples. Sen mutlu değilsin. Sen mutlu değilsin, which means you are not happy. İyi değilim. İyi değilim, which literally means I am not good. İyi değilim is used to mean that we do not feel good, for example, when our mood is down or when we are sick. Kapı kilitli değil. Kapı kilitli değil, which means the door is not locked. O bana kızgın değil. O bana kızgın değil, which means he or she is not angry with me. Here in this sentence, the word bana is actually ben with a dative case suffix. You might naturally expect it to be bene, bene. However, in Turkish, this is bana, bana. Here's an example. Onu bana verin lütfen. Onu bana verin lütfen, which means please give that to me. Onlar Ankaralı değiller. Onlar Ankaralı değiller, which means they're not from Ankara. Fotoğraf makinesi benim değil, annemin. Fotoğraf makinesi benim değil, annemin, which means the photo camera is not mine, it is my mother's. And in Turkish, one of the replies to teşekkür ederim, which means thank you, is bir şey değil, bir şey değil, which literally means it is not anything, or better to say, it is nothing. Alright guys, this is it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you enjoy these videos, please stay tuned. More videos are on the way. So, see you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.